Hello and welcome to this week's top technology news. First up, we have an update from Tesla. The company has announced that it is cutting prices for its electric vehicles in the US market. This move is aimed at making Tesla's electric cars more affordable for the average consumer, and the company has stated that the price cuts will be achieved through a combination of cost reductions and increased efficiency. This includes reducing the cost of the battery, which is the most expensive component of an electric vehicle. This is great news for those who are looking to make the switch to electric cars and want to do their part in reducing emissions and fighting climate change. With more affordable prices, more people will be able to afford to purchase an electric vehicle and contribute to a cleaner and greener future. Next, we have an update from Toyota. The company has announced that it is setting its sights on upgrading old cars to have zero emissions. This is part of the company's push towards a more sustainable future, and it's great to see a major automaker taking this step. The company plans to offer retrofit kits for existing cars to make them electric, which could help extend the life of older cars and reduce their environmental impact. The retrofit kits will include an electric powertrain, battery, and charging system, which will allow older cars to run on electricity instead of gasoline. This will not only help to reduce emissions but also help to save money on fuel costs. Moving on, we have some exciting news from the field of refrigeration. Scientists have just invented an entirely new way to refrigerate things. The technology, known as magnetocaloric refrigeration, uses magnetic fields to cool down objects. This new method is more energy efficient than traditional refrigeration methods and has the potential to revolutionize the way we keep things cool. The technology works by using a magnetic material that changes its temperature when exposed to a magnetic field. This allows for more precise control over the temperature and results in a more efficient cooling process. This could have a significant impact on the refrigeration industry, making refrigerators and air conditioners more energy efficient and reducing the overall energy consumption. Finally, we have some exciting news about water. Scientists have developed new technology that could tap into a virtually limitless supply of fresh water. The technology, known as desalination, uses a membrane to filter salt and other impurities out of seawater. This could be a game changer for areas that are suffering from water scarcity and could help to ensure that everyone has access to clean, fresh water. Desalination technology has been around for a while, but the new technology makes it more efficient and cost-effective. This means that it can be used in more places and on a larger scale, making it a reliable and sustainable source of fresh water. That's it for this week's top technology news. We hope you enjoyed learning about these exciting new developments. These advancements not only improve our daily lives but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more technology news and updates. Thanks for watching.